Hello everybody, Wesley here. Now before we go outside for today's project that I have planned, I want to show you guys the tool we'll be using. This is the Ryobi oscillating tool, or the multi-use tool some people like to call it. The model number is P246 if you're wondering, and I have just a 1.5 amp hour battery, nothing crazy. Now before all of you hate on Ryobi, I want you to know that I do agree they are less quality, they're a lot cheaper, but for home use DIY projects they're perfectly fine. They're awesome to use because they're cheap. You don't really have to care about them, but at work I do use DeWalt. I really like DeWalt, but that's because I use them at work and they make me money. This is just for fun. So I haven't put the head on yet because I'm not sure which head I'm going to use. But now that you've seen the tool, let's go outside and see what the project is for today. Alright everyone, we're here outside. We're by the truck today, and I wanted to show you what our project was. So we put the camera down here somewhere. So this is the battery cover for my truck. You can see here the positive moves over so you can put your jumper cable. Super awesome. But once I put the sound system in, which you can see right here, this does not fit anymore. It doesn't latch on, and I do not want to be driving the truck around without this cover, because there's lots of stuff there. I don't want anything exposed, any dust, anything getting in there. So that's what the plan is for today. So I wanted to use the oscillating tool, and I wanted to trim some of this out. Now I want to show you why this oscillating tool, or a multi-tool, whatever you want to call it, is awesome for stuff like this. So I'll get kind of another angle here. There's two clips on this side, one there, one here, and I believe it snaps in somewhere over there. Maybe not, maybe it just sits in there. Let's see if you guys can actually see. Yeah, something like this. And we may actually, oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, so we definitely need to trim that down. We'll see if this side needs to be trimmed. It might be a little dark. We'll have to see if we can trim some of that out as well. But let's set up the tripod and see what the oscillating tool can do. So I've identified the piece I need to cut off. It's this black lip right here. And another reason why I love this is you can touch. You can see the attachment I have on there. You can actually touch this while it's going. It's not going to cut you. You don't have to be worried about it. But we're going to do small adjustments as we go, and we're gonna trim some of that off, and we're gonna test fit it, every 10-15 seconds and see how she goes. And here we go. So you can see the tab that I cut out. I tried to clean up these edges a bit. I mean, you're never going to see it, but there you go. We cut this tab out. I wanted to make sure, so every truck's going to be different, but there's a little channel that does run through here. You can see right there. It opens up, so that fits right there. So we're going to test fit this. Make sure the other side is on. Line up the tabs. There's one side of the snap. Let's see, is that on? Oh, the cable's not. There we go. And look at that, one side is on, two side is on. That took me not even 5 minutes. And we'll move this over. You can still get your jumper cable on right there. I mean, you're losing a bit of room, but you can see right there, it's not imposing on the wire at all. Maybe I'll try to zoom in there. It's not imposing on the wire at all. Still use your jumper cable, and I love this thing. But you have to remember, Ryobi is not the most powerful tool brand, so I did have to kind of get it kind of like revved up. I have to get it going before you can make the cut. But these are great for plunge cuts. If you're working, you got to do something up or down, or right above you, or maybe along a 2x4 where you can't get a circular saw in. These things are awesome. I got this in a kit, but I'll make sure to leave the kit and this tool separately. Maybe I'll leave the head as well. I have no idea what this is called, but awesome tool and an awesome project. I wanted to finish this video off by saying thank you so much for watching. I hope to bring some more things with this beautiful truck. And for those ladybug lovers, I want you to know, let's see if we can get in there, that this ladybug, it's not gonna focus. Uh-oh. I wanted to say some kind words to this poor ladybug right there. We love you, ladybugs. Keep being pretty and keep being nice ladies there. But, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.